Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today I'm going to be working on iPhone 6s Plus with a cracked screen. And this phone was worked on before by another company. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this with an OEM grade screen. And as well, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy.
With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you.
And we are done. 7 minutes and 28 seconds. And we have a brand new iPhone 6s Plus screen. So no SIM card in there right now, so that's why it's saying no SIM. Everything works great. So as I always say, if I can't do it under 20 minutes, then it's free. If you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on Instagram at AppTechPro and also our website, which I'll leave all the links in the description below. And if you get the chance to like, comment, subscribe, and also share the video on social media, Instagram, Twitter, things like that, it truly helps. Thank you to all of our customers. Thank you for those who watch the videos. And until next time, I will see you guys soon. Thanks again.